Today we have Kimberly and Chris helping to install a palm tree decal in the front office of the travel agency. We always suggest that you have 2 people for this type of application. It just makes everything easier. Now let's roll out their new look. The time has come to transition their wall into a work of art. Remove your artwork from packing and lay out on the floor. Allow about an hour for the panels to flatten out. Arrange in the order of installation. If you have multiple panels, they will be numbered on the front from left to right. Drag the squeegee over the front side of the graphic to ensure that the decal has a firm bond with the transfer sheet. This will also help to flatten the graphic for an easier installation. We recommend that you use a lint-free rag and a 50-50 rubbing alcohol and water solution to wipe down the entire area. Ensure that the surface is completely dry before install. It's possible you will have to make adjustments and trim borders based on the height and width of your surface area. For multi-panel installs, position each numbered panel on the surface from left to right. You can temporarily secure them with masking tape or small tacks in the corners. This will help to visualize the final product and make any minor adjustments. We suggest either a long level, plumb bob, or laser line tool, all available at most hardware stores. This will ensure your first panel is perfectly vertical, then the remaining panels should follow right in line. Never use the corner of a room as your guide. This is rarely ever straight. We include vertical and horizontal lines to help you center your decal. This laser line projector is a great tool as it removes the need to mark the wall and is easily repositioned as you go. Lay the first panel face down on a flat surface. Peel the protective backing from the top down to the line, exposing the adhesive side. Crease the backing down so not to be in the way during installation. Do not remove the front material. Align the panel back on the wall, attaching the exposed portion in the surface using your fingers. Then starting at the top using the soft tip squeegee or dry lint-free cloth, carefully brush the panel left and right, starting in the center, ensuring there are no creases or bubbles under the surface. Slowly pull the backing down behind the panel another 6 to 8 inches, exposing more adhesive. Ensure that all of the decal releases from the backing as you pull. Then continue the process, firmly pressing with your rag or squeegee, working from the center out and continuing down. Do not attempt to lift the panel away from the wall during this process. Minor adjustments can be made later. Once you have completed a panel, go back over the entire surface with the squeegee or cloth, pressing from the center out, left and right, ensuring that it is firmly attached to the surface. Starting from the top, slowly peel off the front material by pulling straight down. Be sure the entire decal releases from the material and stays bonded to the surface. Once removed, inspect for any small bubbles or creases. You can delicately lift and reposition any portion if necessary. Use your razor or pin to make a very small incision, allowing the air to escape from any bubbles under the surface. Then press down on the area to flatten. Repeat these steps with any remaining panels, overlapping each section of the decal a half an inch. It's important to ensure your overlap is even at the bottom before beginning to adhere. Use small strips of masking tape to ensure you stay matched up. If you have any further questions, reach out to us through our contact page at 808wallart.com. To find more tips and tricks on installing, care, and removal of your art, continue through the 808 University Library. Be sure to subscribe for special deals and updates on new artists joining the community weekly.